Hi, what's up you guys? It's your boy Justin Too Fast for you, back again with another video. So what I have for you guys today is another addition to your car. So what I'm going to show you guys is the lights. I got 4 of them, so each one will go on each door in my car. So I'll give you guys a little surprise on what emblem or design what I showed you guys with the light when it turns on. So you know, let's get straight into it. Alright, so to make it easy for you guys, I'm just going to do one side of the door because it's basically all the same. So there's the double-sided tape over here. It's a really small box. And then you're just going to peel off the tape, and then we're going to install onto the door. When it comes to measuring, if you really want to get really, precise with it, you can use a ruler to measure how far, the light is away from this light over here. But as long as it's, pretty close to the other side, then I don't really think it's too big of a deal. But I totally get it if you're, trying to get real close. Alrighty. Alright, so we're gonna just add it over here. But then we also need the tape. Let me see. It comes with the little adhesion promoter. I'm not sure if you can focus in on that, but that comes with it too. And it just looks like an alcohol pad. So we're just gonna wipe it over here. And you do kind of need this for this car, at least my car, because otherwise it really doesn't stick at all. And push. There you go. And it fits perfectly. So just be careful you don't get it too close, otherwise the door won't close and you'll break this. So I'll show you guys what it looks like and show you guys what symbol I got. Alright, so this is what it looks like, guys. Ready? 3, 2, 1. E. So that definitely looks so much nicer. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but the box is right here next to the light. And then you do, at least for me, I needed this like little silver right here to put onto the car, because then the light will not, if you turn it on, the light will sense this and then it'll turn off by itself. So you don't always have to keep on turning on and off the actual car light. But that looks really nice. Hi, just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video. Please hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help out the YouTube channel. It helps out with the YouTube algorithm and puts my channel out there. So I really do appreciate that. And also I got 3 more things for you guys. 3 now. So the first one is to sign up for Webull, a free investing app. So after you deposit $100, you'll get 4 free stocks valued up from $8 all the way up to $1,600. And then after a while, if you do not want to continue with the app, you can withdraw all that money, so you get some free money. The next thing is sign up for the Morning Brew, a free weekly newsletter that's sent straight to your email that informs you regarding what's going on in the world. So like retail, tech, marketing, politics, it hits all those branches in a nice short summary. And it's also free. And then the last thing is, please check out my friend's brand called Soul Connections. The link is in the description below. It's a new apparel that's very comfy. So I'll let you guys check out that website. But then, last but not least, it's your boy Justin Too Fast for you. So try to keep up. Hi, deuces.